is Jessica Salazar. I am the Director of Growth for Lashforever Canada, the proud founder and owner of Revive 7, Canada's #1 lash serum and brow serum and overall hair serum. I am here at the Zoho conference, and I have to say it's been an amazing 2 days. I love CRMs, and I have been with a few others in the past, and I am excited to be with the Zoho CRM Plus. I can't say enough about all of the products that it brings into its services. My focus is growth and marketing, and I'm obsessed with this tool. It makes streamlining, process, projects, staff management, productivity, analytics. Everything is in one place, and it's seamless, it's so easy, and it's just going to take us to the next level. It's been an awesome 2 days. The staff has been incredible. I just sat here as they sat with me and fixed some issues that we were experiencing with the tool itself, and it's all complete. Just amazing hands-on service. Everyone's been so kind. It's been a great day, or 2 days, sorry. Well, I got one-on-one coaching here with my colleagues, so that was the best part of it, I will say. But I think the marketing automation classes, the brand canvas program, the CRM tool itself is incredible, and I think the biggest thing is teaching blueprint and workflows. As far as productivity and potential ROI goes, those two skill sets and understanding are you need them, they're a must-have. So I guess those two have been the most.